Are you ready to make your front door the most irresistible in the neighborhood this Valentine's season? Imagine creating a doorway that radiates love, warmth, and charm before your guests even step inside. Let's dive into the most stunning Valentine's front door decor ideas that will leave everyone saying, "Wow, where did you get that idea?" How can you decorate your front door for Valentine's while keeping it versatile for other occasions? Multi-purpose decorations are perfect for saving time and effort while keeping your front door stylish year-round. Neutral wreaths made from evergreen or twigs can serve as a base, with removable Valentine-themed embellishments added for the season. Seasonal doormats with versatile quotes like "Welcome Home" can be paired with holiday-specific accents for a quick transformation. Interchangeable door decor, using hooks and hangers, allows you to easily swap Valentine's designs for decorations suited to other seasons or events. Looking for more versatile decorating ideas? Check out the description for products featured in this video. How can you incorporate nature into Valentine's decorations? Bringing nature into your Valentine's decor adds an organic and timeless feel to your entrance. Floral garlands made from real or faux roses and greenery can be draped around your doorframe to create an inviting ambience. Potted blooms like red and pink flowering plants, such as cyclamens or roses, in decorative pots by the door instantly elevate the aesthetic. For a rustic touch, use heart-shaped twig wreaths or twine-wrapped branches adorned with small blossoms for a cozy, natural vibe. Don't forget to comment below on your favorite nature-inspired idea. How can you personalize Valentine's decor for your front door? Personal touches make your decorations even more meaningful and inviting. Family name signs are a great way to personalize the look, such as a message saying that your last name family loves you. Photo displays featuring mini snapshots of loved ones can be hung on a decorative garland or framed in small heart-shaped ornaments. A custom doormat with Valentine-themed messages like "Knock if you love love" adds an extra touch of personality and charm to the entrance. Make it personal and memorable. Subscribe for more creative decor ideas like these. What are some simple and affordable Valentine's front door decorations? When you're on a budget but still want to wow your neighbors, simple and affordable decorations can go a long way. DIY heart wreaths made from affordable materials like foam, yarn, or faux flowers are a perfect way to craft something uniquely yours. Love-inspired door signs, such as a painted wooden heart or a "Be Mine" message, offer an instant Valentine's vibe. To complete the look, add pink or red fairy lights around your doorframe to give a romantic glow during the evenings. Love these ideas? Share this video with your friends who could use some Valentine's inspiration. What are some unique themes for Valentine's front door decor? If you're looking to stand out, unique themes can elevate your Valentine's Day decorations. A Parisian love theme incorporates Eiffel Tower accents, black and white striped ribbons, and soft pink roses for a chic and romantic vibe. A vintage romance theme can use lace, antique keys, and pastel floral arrangements to achieve a timeless look. For a playful twist, try a candy heart craze theme with decorations shaped like candy hearts, bearing fun phrases like XOXO and sweetheart. For even more unique themes, check out the video description for related content. What's the best way to create a romantic lighting effect for your front door? Lighting can transform your front door into a dreamy, romantic scene for Valentine's Day. Candle lanterns with flameless LED candles placed on steps or beside the door offer a soft, warm glow. String lights wrapped around your door frame, especially in hues like pink, red, or warm white, amplify the Valentine vibe. For an innovative twist, use a projector to cast love-themed patterns like hearts or roses onto the front door or surrounding walls, creating a magical effect. For more glowing ideas, check out the full playlist in the description. Who knew decorating your front door for Valentine's could be so fun and easy? Whether you're going for romantic, nature-inspired, or uniquely personal themes, there's something for everyone to try. So, are you ready to make your door the most charming stop in the neighborhood? Let's spread the love this Valentine's season.